Hello, my name is Wing Yan, the leader of Nelligan O'Brien Payne's Intellectual Property Group. A question that clients often ask is, why should I protect my trade name? Well, the answer is simple. In a perfect world, everybody respects each other's property, but in today's competitive market, this isn't always the case. What are trade names? Trade names are a form of intellectual property that has assumed a central role in this global business. A trade name is the business name under which an organization carries or conducts its own business, or it's a legal name that is registered by that organization. This distinct name actually creates a sense of identity that adds to the marketability of that organization and at the same time creates the competitive advantage. In fact, we come across trade names and business names all the time in our day-to-day, in our regular course of business. So what is the value of a trade name? The worth of some trade names has been estimated in the billions of dollars. Well, for example, the Coca-Cola trade name was valued at over $74 billion in 2012. So trademarks actually safeguard the rights that many of my clients have in this very valuable intellectual property. So what is a trademark? A trademark is any word, design, or combination of both that actually distinguishes the goods and services of one organization from those of the others. For example, Starbucks Coffee House, they registered trademarks in Canada for Starbucks, the business name, and also Starbucks Beer, the instant coffee line in Canada. So you may ask, why don't many businesses, they don't use or they register the trademarks? Well, many small businesses actually, they don't consider that this is important to secure the trademark registration. Some basically, they feel that the business names are protected by common law use and without the registration at the trademarks office. And then there are others who simply don't understand or tell the differences between the business name and the trademark registration, and that there are actually two very different types of protections. But there are many, many advantages in using a trademark, whether it's registered or unregistered, to protect the investments of the organization that has made in its brand name. So you may ask, what are the advantages of registering a trademark? Well, registering a trademark provides 15 years of protection from infringement, and that can be renewed easily and indefinitely with very small expenses. Now, unlike a common law use of a trademark, which only protects certain specific limited geographic areas, a trademark registration, on the other hand, provides an owner with exclusive right to use the mark across Canada. So, say if a business doesn't register the name as a registered trademark, then its competitors may use a similar or identical name and they will have very little remedy. And even if there were some remedies available, it may involve significant and substantial legal costs. Well, trade names come to represent the reputation, the brand, the experience, and also the expertise of a business. They are a valuable asset that can really increase customer loyalty and can significantly enhance the value of a business in the eyes of investors and also financing institutions. So given the advantage and the low expense, I highly recommend that all of my clients take steps to protect their valuable trade names. Well, it's just good business sense. My name is Wing Yan, the group leader at Nelligan O'Brien Payne Intellectual Property Practice